Necessary votes needed. Well, it is a scary time for medical professionals who say they have a lot at stake depending on what happens with the health care reform bill in this country. They've been holding a state health care forum in the northwest part of the valley. That forum sponsored by the largest insurance provider in Nevada, United Healthcare. And Channel 8 Eyewitness News reporter Janet O is live near Tenaya and Cheyenne. So, Janet, what are the key issues being discussed there today?
Well, Healthcare Forum is just one of the issues that they touched on, Dave. And this Healthcare Forum has been going on all morning and all afternoon. Governor Jim Gibbons kicked things off this morning with a short speech. But the main concern local and state physicians say is the lack of federal funds to keep up with federal mandates.
The reason why the government is pushing electronic medical records is it makes it cheaper for the physicians and everybody else.
Russell Suzuki is the president of Falcon Technology. He's been educating medical professionals on the transition from paper bills and documents to electronic information. But much like the television transition from analog to digital, it's expensive, and physicians are waiting on federal stimulus dollars to fund the transition without having to pull it out from their own pockets. In the long run, this is supposed to increase efficiency and save everyone a little bit of money.
I think the federal government went through the effort to establish the stimulus funds to correct that problem, and I think that's really the tipping point now. That is, everybody knows that it's not if but when at this point everybody's going to convert over.
By sometime next year, Suzuki says physicians may be able to qualify for $44,000 each in stimulus funds. He also tells us that this change alone is expected to lower insurance premiums and costs. Now, also talked about, Dave, inside this meeting was the issue of Medicaid. More people here in the state rely on it as unemployment skyrockets, but physicians again say they are struggling because federal funds are remaining the same and they need more to keep up with the demand. And just on a side note here, the registration here is about $100 if you are interested in attending. The forum takes place once per year. Reporting live, Janet O, Channel 8 Eyewitness News.
All right, Janet.